Nah. Nike Air logo on the back. Nike tag. And it came with a little booklet. It's fire. This is still top 5 for me when it comes to Jordan 3. But Fire Reds, they're earning a special place in my heart, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I know it's a lot of these on YouTube, but I just wanted to give a more closer look, detail of the Jordan 3 Fire Reds. And y'all watch the channel. Y'all know I done had Katrinas. I done had free throw lines. They all missed the mark somewhere. This sneaker here is the closest to nostalgic Jordan 3 cement that I've seen in a long time, guys. Y'all know I love Nike Air on the booty, but it's just more than that. The packaging, everything on this sneaker screams like we back, like retros are back. And I really digging that, man, about this. So they're restocking once at least every day. But I think eventually once this sneaker sell out, it's gone, guys. Trust me. So get your hands on a pair while you can. Trust me, guys. I don't want to talk too much, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. You see what I mean by nostalgia? Got your elephant print. Super dope. Cement joint. All black sneaker. I mean, Jordan Brand came for business when he came out with the Fire Reds. All black shoebox, man. Elephant print at the bottom. Large red Jordan Brand logo at the top. When you finally get the lid off, it got like that apple suction on this joint. A piece of paper comes out. And I thought they even tried to give us like the old card with the numbers on it. But it's a little brochure kind of showing you the material and how the sneaker's built. If that don't scream nostalgic, I don't know what it does. This looks like the back page of an East Bay book, guys. Super dope. More of your elephant print paper. Doubled with OG tissue paper. And let's start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Fire Red Jordan 3. This is the left shoe. I decided to go with the left shoe because the left shoe has the classic Nike Air tag on the back. And let's not say too classic, even though it is classic, but you know the classic ones were thick and heavy. They were jeweled, double-sided. They were heavy. I like the light one. This one I might can keep on. Like you guys keeping your StockX tags on, I don't get it. You paid the arm and the leg for the sneaker. Don't be out here promoting StockX for no reason, guys. Take the StockX tag off. I said it. This tag you keep on. It's light duty. Won't hurt too much. I like it. It gives you that Fresh Prince of Bel-Air 90s vibe, man. I like it. Kind of gives you Jordan 4 vibes. Look at that toe box, guys. That's tumbled leather. That's what Jordan Brand used to give us on a day-to-day basis. Tumbled leather, guys. Look at it. Tumbled white leather, guys, and that's white. No doubt about it. It's not sail. It's not off-white. That's a clean, brushed my teeth this morning white, man. Look at your elephant print. Look at that, man. The detail on that elephant print is sick. All stars right here. You know, back in the days when you used to sell your sneakers on eBay, you used to have to say all stars are present. That's what they meant. All stars are present. This is what they meant, guys. Right there. But look at that elephant print. It's bolder. The black lining on that is bolder than me. It looks crazier. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if this elephant print look different to y'all. This looks different to me, guys. There go your fire red bar. I love this red. It is similar to the Katrinas. I wish I still owned them to compare them with you guys. That is that Katrina red. But what trumps it all is the Nike Air on the booty, guys. So not only is Nike Air on the booty, on the back, it's in a thick 3D rubber virgin, man. They could have, it simply made it black. It's red, guys. It stands out, and I like that. More of that elephant print. This elephant print looks different to me, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Very dope. Your tongue, large Jumpman logo on the tongue. Classic Jordan 3 tongue. I always love this material on the Jordan 3 tongue. What material is this, man? The inside also. I always love this material, man. Someone tell me what it is. It's not wool. I don't know. Carpet? I really love this material. Yeah, the inside material on the Jordan 3's always been super comfortable. You got like a leather look here, but the peripheral holes making it look mesh. And that's also in red. Son, this sneaker is fire. Yes, sir. Jordan 3s are one of those Jordan silhouettes that I feel like you can't outgrow. I feel like you could be 50 years old rocking these. I showed y'all the black joints earlier, and I also still own True Blues. Not too many people still got True Blues in their collection. And yes, they're clean, man. Clean. Nike Air on the booty. And here go that tag. Here go that tag I was showing y'all earlier. See how heavier it is and thicker? That was the nostalgic of the True Blue. Yeah, so like I said earlier in the video, they're restocking crazy, but get your hands on these. I'm actually going to try to double up. I'm hoping for a restock today. It's been quiet since I've been saying they've been restocking, but hopefully today. But I think you could go inside your malls and you might be able to get you a pair. Let me know how y'all feel about these. I got a crazy hotter style coming for these. You know, red is one of my favorite colors, supreme. We gonna get it right. So stay tuned for that. Hit subscribe, tap the notification bell. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.